I was just trying to see if all the water is out of the bay. Usually when we get storms like this, all the water retreats out of the bay and you can just about walk across. And I just want to see what kind of conditions we were looking at today.
Let's go.
You know, I absolutely don't want to risk my life, but you know, it's to a certain degree, it's awesome to see Mother Nature in this kind of, you know, with this kind of force. Yeah, I'll get home. I live less than a mile away, so you know, we'll be all right, man. I think we'll be okay. No problem.
I've had a lot of anxiety over the night about it because it is my first hurricane, but I just wanted to see the water and, you know, get the whole Florida experience. I traveled to see him right after Helene, so we weren't expecting this.